this Flutter default icon. I will change it. So you follow my full video step by step. You can make logo by using Canva, ChatGPT, Photoshop, or any other tool. Just you need a logo. Logo sizes. Open your project. There are many type of folder. Confirm that you are in this folder project. Instead this project folder and open this pubspec.yaml and find dependency, and you need to paste some code. I will provide all code in my description, so you can check my description, then you collect and directly copy paste. And you must follow the line spacing, like this 2 line space. So this is very important, line spacing. I add this Flutter launcher app icon dependency. This version is 13.1. Version you can upgrade or downgrade. You mainly focus this Flutter launcher icon. Then you change this version. Then another you need paste this, and my dependency pasting complete and asset path. So I need this asset path. So when you confirm this folder path, then right button click and go new, then click directory. Then you can type or copy paste this asset / icons and enter. Yeah, my asset icon folder is ready. Now right button click, opening Explorer and folder icon, then you go. Then you paste your app icon, our logo. Just I paste this, type is PNG, and you rename the app icon. App name is app icon. This is demo app icon. So I will set this icon. Now I testing. Open the terminal and you run. At first, for safety, you run this command flutter clear flutter clean for your project safety. Then second command you type flutter update. Version 0. Folder path is problem, so paste is a dependency and just one tab forward. Enter forward, and then open terminal and paste this command flutter packet. Okay, good. Now project build done. Then final command flutter per run flutter launcher icon main. When successfully load this command, yes, successfully generate launch icon. Meaning my project is now ready. New icon, then you confirm this, select your emulator or your real device, then run. I hope app icon will change. Yeah, my icon is already changed, and so I hope your project same successfully change your app icon. If you feel this video is helpful, subscribe my channel. You can share your opinion, like comment. So thank you.